Hello, good day. So this is the platform, the loan risk prediction system powered by AWS AI services and built with Streamlit. Now the workflow, the process flow for this is you can see by the left hand side, AWS services are connected by virtue of the Boto3 technology. Now what happens is when the loan officer uploads a document to S3, the document goes to S3, right? Because S3 is connected. Now S3 is triggered and S3 triggers Lambda. Now what Lambda does is Lambda calls all the whole AI services that we used in this system, Bedrock and SageMaker. It pulls them into action to start analyzing the documents. Now once they are done with their analysis, the result is saved in DynamoDB and it reflects on the app because DynamoDB is connected to this application. So you can see that the applicant information is filled, the guarantor information is filled, relevant documents are uploaded, financial and other kind of documents. Then the AI starts processing it, each of the documents, checks this authenticity, the content, fraud behavior, and all those metrics. When it's done, it brings up the result automatically, right? And it says that, oh, rejected, approved. This can either be rejected or approved, and it explains why it was rejected or approved, So if you move to the second tab, which is the result tab, view results, you can see the results there, right? The details of the results, risk score, the view required, time was processed, and feedback from the AI analysis. So the loan officer can have like an idea of how many rejected, how many approved, and all that. If you move quickly to the S3 S3 buckets, you can see that please hold on. You can see that the files that were uploaded are reflected here. You can see all of them are reflected here because S3 is connected to the platform. The decisions that were made after the analysis is reflected on the DynamoDB table. You can see rejected, approved, in review, and all of that. And I mentioned we used Sage. We use the SageMaker, and you can see over here, SageMaker Studio, you can see the data that were trained, based on different metrics to make decision, and analyze these documents, right? So that's just like a high level of how the system works and how the process flow is. However, more can be done. Thank you.